Everything comes out of these 50 sounds. And these 50 sounds generate tremendous amount of power. They are power generators. They create consciousness, they create matter. And if anyone knows how these sounds work, then he can create matter if he wants to create matter, not out of going and buying something, but by his own consciousness he would be able to create that. But you have to understand the dynamics. You have to understand what the vowels are, what the consonants are, and how they function. That is the secret that the yogis were interested in. The yogis were not at all interested in the limited existence. They didn't want to get old. They didn't want to get diseased. They didn't want to be in a position of not knowing things. So what they were after was omniscience. They were after omnipotence. They were after omnipresence. But we don't have a model for this in modern science because we think that this is out of human range. We cannot even hear these low-range infrasonic sounds or high-range ultrasounds. But we know from science that they are terribly intelligent. They are much more intelligent than our brain. But what is the equivalent of these sounds within our consciousness? That was the investigation of these rishis. These sounds are present within us. That we are clinging on to the external aspect of these sounds, but not going in and finding out what these sounds are all about. And if we know about all these things, then matter is not a problem. So the science is about human evolution.